Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys why your garden guide quests, achievements, aren't going up when you are giving another person, like for instance, daffodils or tulips. And that is because you are not allowed to trade, which is really annoying because you have to give a person 100 tulips. And thank God my brother was willing to go through that. I basically put him through that and forced him to do it. But basically, if you go to garden guides, I did the tulips and daffodils yesterday because I haven't gotten the rest of the fruits. So it says here, gift 40 daffodils, and then here, gift 100 orange tulips. You cannot trade them, but you have to give it to them via gift. So that is why it's not working, fortunately. But yeah, that is it. I really want to finish the third one so I can do the cooking achievements easier. So I'll have like 3 cooking pots. So if you go to garden guide, make sure you complete the rare ones first, I think, so you get the cooking kit. But I don't know, it's up to you really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.